that when I contemplate about the universe, then there's a clear design. Yeah, there's a design, there's laws. Yeah, you don't have to be a scientist to know this. Just curse you look at night. And subhanAllah, you're in Finland. This is the country where you got the northern lights, I think. Right? It's this one, yeah? SubhanAllah. Just by looking at that, are you going to say, is there any rational thinking human being, BA level, master's level, thesis level, and say, look at the lights, and say, wow, and then say, and that's it? If you're someone who thinks, who's a clever person, intelligent person, Muslim or not, you think, where did this come from? How did this come about? Can it just come out random chance? No, so we don't believe in random chance. We believe the universe and life within it is a clear design. And where there's a design, there's a designer. Where there's design, there's a designer. Yeah? I mean, I'm not going to go into the argument in detail, but for example, just one example, the precision, the precise nature of the furniture of the universe. For example, the sun, and are there any scientists here or people who study science, physics? Hands up. Okay, I'm surprised, mashallah, because alhamdulillah, you're like scientists, alhamdulillah. Just physics. So the sun and its position to the earth, it's so precise, subhanAllah, that if the sun was slightly to the left, we were burned to death. And if it was slightly to the right, we were freeze to death. Just the right amount of position for life to flourish and habitate. This is fluke, this is chance.